X7 Body Lotion. Bye or bye-bye. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Damlola and I'm so honored to be here again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel or you're new to this particular channel, do what subscribe, turn on post notification and tell me something great at the comment section. To all my returning subscribers, you guys are doing amazing. I love you so much. God bless you all. Let's get to the video already. So today I'll be reviewing a particular lotion called X7 Body Lotion. I'll be giving you guys a detailed review about this particular lotion. This video was highly demanded for by Mira. Shout out to you, Mira. I love you so much. And to any other person that might find this video helpful, please share, please like, please subscribe. It's very imperative. Okay, so let's get to it. So I usually tell people that if you want to get a particular skincare product, it is very important that you know your skin type, know the skin color that you have, and also what is your skin concern. When I tell people that you need to know your skin concern, they'll be like, what's a skin concern? What are you talking about? I have no idea. But you need to know what the problem is so we can actually know the solution to give to you to solve the problem. Okay, it's just very important that you note what the problem is. Okay, now you want to get this lotion, you need to know those three things, because this lotion comes in 4 varieties. So you cannot use everything. Everything cannot be for your skin type or for your skin color or for your skin concern. It's not possible. Which one can you use? Which one is for your skin? Okay, so there is one that is called UV white, there is one called gold, there is one called carrot, and there is another one called 100% organic. There are 4 types, and I've mentioned the 4 types of this particular lotion to you. Bear in mind that this lotion is being produced by Xander's Global Resources. This company, they have huge amounts of product, different product. They have soap, they have lotion, they have perfumes. I have gone to check their website to see if they're actually really authentic. Yes, they are authentic, they are legit. They have a lot of products. They produce the lotion kits and more. Yes, so they have tons of products. Okay, you don't have to be worried about the fact that you don't know the person that produced this particular product. So they have so many products. So we could say to some extent that okay, this way they know what they are doing, but that doesn't guarantee that okay, because they have a lot of products, that I can sit back, relax, and just go ahead and buy this lotion. Chill, just calm down, baby girl. Take a chill pee, calm down, and watch this video till the end. That which one would suit your skin type, which one would suit your skin color, which one would suit your skin concern. This lotion promises to give a non-greasy feel. It's going to nourish your skin. It's going to make your skin soft, looking really good. It has very good ingredients. It has some natural skin lightening ingredients that is particularly meant to correct spots, to remove spots from your skin. Okay, now this lotion says it is marvelous. I'm not saying it's not marvelous. Okay, from what we've heard, from what we've seen, from the research I've made, this lotion is marvelous. Okay, it doesn't have hydroquinone, which is, oh my goodness, anything that doesn't have hydroquinone, I always want to purchase it, because I am one person that believe in you using safe products for your skin. Because one thing about using bleaching lotion is that if you use all this kind of lotion, you are not only trying to damage your skin, but you're also damaging your health. It goes beyond the skin. Okay, it is deeper than we think it is. So it's always advisable to play safe as much as you can. Just play safe. Okay, that's why most times I always want to use brightening products. It's not my fault. Health is very important. Okay, so let's get to it. If you have dark skin, the pure organic is for you. Whatever skin type you have, in as much as you have a dark skin color, you can use the 100% pure organic. Okay, now if you have a fair skin, like you want to achieve a natural fairness, you have a fair skin, you can go for the carrot, the X7 body lotion carrot. Regardless of your skin type, you can go for the carrot. Okay, if you have a light skin color and you want to maintain that light skin color, you can go for the gold, the S gold 7 or the X7 gold. You can go for that type. Now if you have a white skin color, there's some people that are actually much more lighter than light, if that's the word for it. That's their skin color. You can go for the UV white. So they have different varieties like that for different skin colors, regardless of your skin type. Regardless of your skin type. Now let's not go to skin concern. If your skin concern is that you have stretch marks, you have green veins and all that, I would advise that you go for the carrot. Don't try to use that UV white, because especially for those of you that have a sensitive and soft skin, the UV white is going to make you have more stretch marks. It's going to make you have more stretch marks. I'm going to make you have more green veins. It's just going to not do too nice, except you want to premix it. And me personally, I don't even advise, premixing lotions and all, because you can never get it right. That's just the honest truth. You're not a dermatologist, you're not an esthetician, so what give you the right to think that premixing is perfect for you? You cannot get it right. So like I said, please place it. So if you have that kind of issues, stretch marks and all that, please avoid that UV white. Just avoid it and just go for the gold, regardless of your skin type or your skin color. Am I making sense at all? Are you guys understanding what I'm saying? Regardless of your skin type, your skin color, if you have stretch marks, you have green veins, which is your skin concern, do not go for the UV white. Instead, you can go for the gold or the carrot. They are more lenient. Okay? All right. So now, after noting all these things, after you've noted all these things that I've said so far, there are some things that you also need to put in mind. If you have dry skin, type, please note this. If you have dry skin type, you need to have a plan B if you're going to buy any of this lotion. I repeat, if you have dry skin type, you need to have a plan B. You know the way they used to do Mission Impossible, there's always a plan B. They want to do any mission, there's always a plan B. In action movies, there's always a plan B. You need to know that this is an action movie. You need to have a plan B. And your plan B is that this lotion does not have the potency to make your skin highly hydrated. And you need enough hydration as possible, especially for those of you that are going for this kind of lotion that has some skin lightening, though they call it natural skin lightening ingredient. Regardless, you still need enough hydration as possible. So the plan B is that you either get a body oil or an heavy moisturizer, especially if you have a dry skin. If you don't have a dry skin self, you still need to have a plan B. So excuse me. So if you have a dry skin, please endeavor to have a moisturizer or a body oil that you can attach with this particular lotion. All right. Am I making sense at all? Am I really telling you guys what you guys would love to hear, what you guys have been waiting to hear for like a while now? I think I'm doing that. Okay. All right. If I'm doing that, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on post notification. Just do some good for your girl. Okay. Now let's now get to some other things that are very, very imperative that you need to know. Now, do not, I repeat, do not use this lotion on your face. Abigail, Mira, Esther, Emmanuel, do not use this lotion on your face. Whoever is watching this video, don't use this lotion on your face. If you were using it on your face before, please listen back. Don't use this lotion on your face. Your face is more sensitive than your body. So I would advise that you should not use this lotion on your face. You can look for something else. You can go to your doctor to recommend something for you. If you need recommendations from me, you know where to find me. Follow me at Oludami Beauty on Instagram. There we'll get to talk, have one-on-one conversation. I actually do recommendations and consultation at a very affordable price. I'll leave it like that. So please get a very good face moisturizer for your face. Don't use this lotion on your face. Very important. Another thing you need to notice is that you need to make sure that you use your sunscreen. Use your sunscreen. Use your sunscreen. Use your sunscreen. I preach this on my channel a lot. If you use this kind of lotion, you need to actually use your sunscreen. If you want to use this lotion during the day, you need to use your sunscreen. Though they said the lotion has SPF 30, but regardless, my brothers and sisters, I would advise that you please use your sunscreen. Use your sunscreen, especially on your face. please use your sunscreen. I know you're not using the lotion on your face, but please just use your sunscreen everywhere, every angle that you're exposing yourself to sun, you know, the areas that are being exposed to sun. Please use your sunscreen. It's very important to use your sunscreen. And also another thing to notice is I'd advise I use this lotion at night. Though some people want to use it during the day and at night, morning and night and all that, is fine, but me, I'd advise I use it at night. You know, it's, you're gonna see more of the effectiveness at night because you're not exposing yourself to sun. So yeah, use your sunscreen, follow all the things I've said so far, and pair the lotion with a very, very good soap. If you want a recommendation from me for soap, you know where to find me. Meet me on IG at Olodami Beauty. If you want to ask me questions, you can ask me questions at the comment section. That is all I have for you guys for now. Many more are to come. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, turn on post notification, and tell me something great at the comment section. I love you guys. See ya. Bye.